how to start a friend quest on Duolingo. First, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of the application. Open the Duolingo application and log in to your account. Now go to your profile. If you haven't created a profile yet, then it's time to create a new profile here. You can create a profile by just connecting your Google account or your Facebook account. And then once done, then you can now open an account here on Duolingo. So once you have your profile or once you have created your profile here, then you can tap on the sync contacts or invite later. Now tap on your profile and you should see a button here that says add a friend request. This is a new feature here on Duolingo. What you're going to do is you have to click that one and basically you can add a friend or find friends by just selecting from any of your contacts here, search them through or by their name. You can share your link and let them friend request you or follow your profile. So let's just say I'm going to search a friend. I am going to tap search by name and I'm going to enter his or her name here. So that person's name should appear and all I have to do is to click this person or add a friend icon here and my friend will get a notification or in-app alert to accept the quest. So that's how easy it is to start a friend quest on Duolingo.